Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we will talk about return visions, how to create the return codes in Business Central, and how to select the return code in the purchase and sales document. Please subscribe my channel, add your comments. I am more than happy to answer any question that you may have. Let's go to Business Central and see how we can execute this process. So here in Business Central, the first thing that you need to check is the setup of these return visions. So you can click here in Explore, or you can type here. Okay, you can see here that we have two codes. In order to create this, you just have to go in Business Central, add a code, and then a description. If you want to define the full location code, and if you want to return this with value 0. So here is quite simple. You can see here we have bad quality, wrong item. So if you want, you just have to add a code and then a description and the other setup. So basically here, if you consider the process of return product, in terms of setup in your company, what you can define is if I have one item that in the moment that I receive this item, I check that the quality is bad, I can always post this purchase document in a location that you know that is for return items. So you can add the name of quarantine, return product, what makes sense for you and your company. But maybe what you can do in terms of system is like not add this product in the same location that you use, because when you add this, what happens in terms of system is like this item will be available to be used or selected in sub-documents. And so here, if you work with location, it's good that you can have a different location for that. So you never mix with the locations that you use for your operational process in Business Central. So it's something that you can consider when you are set up this process in Business Central. And if you do this, you will add this location here, right? That means that I will always use this location to move my product, right? When I receive the product and I check that is in bad quality or is the wrong item, I can post in this location, or also later if I check that there are some discrepancies, I can go and move this item to this location. So the person that is responsible to return this item, you know that they need to pick this item from this specific location. And here is a setup in Business Central that you can define that every time that I return an item, I will return with 0. So that means that will not like increase the inventory value. Something that you can consider if it makes sense for your company. Okay, this is the Navision code. Now let's go and execute the process. So we will start with a purchase order. So let's go here. Let's create one purchase order. Okay, I will add a new. I will select fabricant. I will already add let's buy the antenna desk. I will select our location. Quantity 2. I will keep the same price. Okay, and post this. Okay. Okay, so this is our order that was posted. So I don't want to see what I will do now is create a purchase return order. So let's go here. Let's find the purchase return order. Okay, I will create a new. I will select my vendor. Okay, I can also add a document here. And what I will do here is you can click in prepare and get the documents that you want to return. Okay. So here the system will show all the document that is available for you to return. So I will basically select that the purchase invoice that we posted before and click OK. You can see here that I have the item and I have all the value and price. And what I will do here is select my return reason code. So I will add that was bad quality and then post. Okay, let's see. So you can see here that the reason code is here, so you can easily identify why you are returning this item to this vendor. Okay, this is for return reason code. We can use this process. The process is similar for the sales document. Maybe we can create a sales document just to see this. So let's go do that. The process is similar, but let's do. So I will go to sales order. I will create a sales order. We can use the same item. So to new. Okay. I will select my antenna. My antenna desk. Okay. In this case, I will not specify location. So let's do a different example. Okay, one. Okay, I will just post. Okay, we have here our sales invoice that was posted. So let's go back. Go now to sales return order. I will select the same customer, and then always get the line. Okay, this is our invoice. So let's select. Okay. And here we have the return vision code that we just need to select. So let's see, that was the wrong item. And in this case, every time that I move back this, I will put this in this north location. That is how work the setup. And then we just have to go. Okay. Also, you can see here, wrong item. Okay, this is the process. Choose the return vision code. Please let me know if you have any question. Subscribe my channel and add your comments. Thank you and see you next video.